सो हुनु लागेको छ मान्छेहरू चाहिँ यति धेरै छ है सो हेर्नुको लागि रेडी छ सो लेट्स सी के कस्तो हुन्छ मान्छे चाहिँ प्याक छ यार हामी पनि जाँदैछौँ यता गएर चाहिँ सिधा गएर चाहिँ बस्नुपर्ने हुन्छ पर चाहिँ ठ्याक है ठ्याक यहीँ हो यहीँ सो चाहिँ त्यहाँ हुन्छ यहाँ तल
in flight. And just take a look at his amazing flying skills, everyone. And there he goes above all of you. Now, just in case he drops for any little presents, right? I would advise everyone to just close down. Yes. Alright, here he comes a second time. Size raptors, but don't let their size fool you. They can steal and even snatch a prey away from birds. This is what they will look like in the skies. The one on the left would be the white-bellied sea eagle, and the right the brownie kite.
And it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. The size is obvious, but there's also the coloration and even the shape of their wings. For example, the white-bellied sea eagle has a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
And as for the brownie,
everyone, I would like you to meet Eclipse, our Malayan fish owl, another local species found right here in Singapore. And the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming, because owls are masters of silent flying.
And speaking of silent flight, we have one more Malay fish owl joining us on stage, and his name is Latif. But in order for him to join us, I would like everyone to remain seated and let us all be as quiet as possible, as we are about to experience the owl's unique ability of silent flight. Alright, anytime when you're ready, Latif. We need to give Latif a big round of applause. Well, owls, they are capable of silent flight, and that is because they have some edges at the tips of the feathers, which help them to alter air turbulence and absorb noise, making their flight as quiet as a whisper. And owls, they have amazing eyesight and binocular vision, just like all of us.
Talking of our eyes, the colors of your eyes tell us.
180? How about so you have
legal.
wow, just take a good look at her. She's such a beauty indeed. Well, Susie has been with us for almost 27 years. She is about 34 this year, and she is a much loved member of the Mandai family. And even medical care.
Speaking of medical care, our next video on the screen is one of our staff giving eye drops for Susie. So this is to help with the cataract on her left eye.
And this is Ethan, our senior brownie kite, a star from the old World Cup. And Ethan getting his to be hand-fed daily due to him being partially blind. But do you know what? Retirees, they actually love to stay active and stimulated. So that is why Susie is out here to see all of you.
And I'm going to start with Susie. Check.
Right over here, Mr. Ralph. There you go.
This is an unusual bird of prey. First thing on the forest ground, search the prey hiding underneath. Well, these birds have long legs and flat claws, which allows them to roll up the rocks, swim over tree barks, or even sweep aside for chips and dry leaves in search of worms and insects. And not only that sometimes rain nests and still the wrong outfits. But what if the insect that they were foraging for decides to escape, perhaps fly away? Well, let's try fireman. Okay, roll ready. 1, 2, 3. Awesome.
Much better. But you know what? I think one time is not enough. Why don't you come over here to do one more? Alright? Okay, everyone get your phones and cameras ready. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, indeed. Well, you've done an amazing job, Raul. It's time for you to head back home. And home is empty. Okay, let's give it up for Raul, our Southern Crescent Caracara. Zina, the turkey voucher. Now, turkey vouchers are in the Americas, and one of the few with a highly tuned sense of smell.
And that means there is a big animal. Turkey vulture is the first one on the scene. The vultures will follow suit with the hard work of ripping apart the top part of the dead animal.
And here's an interesting fact about turkey vultures is that they have strong stomach acid and it's as powerful as car batteries, which is almost close to 0 pH level. This helps them to digest carrion pretty well. And she's done an amazing job. It's time for her to head back home. Let's give it up for Zina, everyone.
Up to 8,000 feet, the king vulture reigns over other vultures in the sky. The king vulture is among the world's largest scavenger, and they have powerful feet, chunks of rib, wool, and even turn over a carcasses of a medium-sized animal. The other vultures will make way for the king because they can get to the parts of the carcass other vultures cannot.
But Shawa, they don't just intimidate the smaller vultures, right?
That's right, in fact they are among the most aggressive of their kind, and up close you can hear them hiss as they approach, and that is why we have one of our trainers walking alongside our king on stage.
And it looks like His Majesty is headed back home. Let's give him a round of send-off, everyone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now these birds, they are the little wings that eat the flesh and organs of the carcass. They are social but yet aggressive feeders. And once a carcass is found, they will all wait nearby before beginning to feed. But once they get going, about 100 of these birds, they will gather for a meal and strip a large carcass down to its bones in less than 20 minutes. Now once widely found across Africa, they are now critically endangered. And one more right up there. Now if you look closely at our little ladies, they have a dagger-like beak and a stern omen face.
Although there are vultures that are able to cooperate and coexist well with the vultures, especially during the big feast. Now, ladies and gentlemen, about 11 species of vultures in Africa make up to 70% of the continent's carrier. We would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures. Isn't that right, Namira?
That is so true, child. And all around the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Reasons like poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and even superstitious beliefs. And this is why our birds are now critically endangered. So conservation efforts will be the only way to save these birds from extinction. So let's show them our appreciation by giving them a big round of applause.
Today, we met raptors and scavengers, so these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth. are part of our ecosystem, part of our planet.
हामीले चाहिँ 2:30 को सो हेरेर पनि सकिसकेको छ। सो सबै जानुपर्ने हुन्छ, सबैजनाहरू निक्लिसकेको छ। सो हामी पनि निक्लिनु पर्ने हुन्छ यता यहाँबाट।